All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the day of painting and everything is all prepped to go. I'm tired, I'm ready to go. It's early in the morning. I don't think I got anything to say, but let's get this painted.
So, yeah, we're back again with another this didn't go my way speech. So we went to go take the car over to the paint booth that was at my parents' house where my air compressor is. And it's an inflatable paint booth. Turns out it's not waterproof and it's pouring buckets here. And I kind of can't wait to get the car painted anymore. I have to do it now. Otherwise it's just not gonna get done because there's other things that need to get done and I need a week for testing to make sure everything works. Otherwise I just can't use it. So yeah, painting it the normal way is out of the question. Wrapping it's not working. We go to plan D, which is, or plan C. Good thing I'm so good at spelling. But we're taking it back to the roots of where fellow Super started. We are spray painting this car. Yep, that's going to happen. We really don't have another option, unfortunately. I really wish we do, but there just isn't one that's going to work out in the time frame that we have. And with the skill level that I have, we're gonna have to make the car look presentable, and I think the rattle can is the best option that we have without breaking the bank to some ridiculous amount. So that's it. I got nothing else to explain at this point. It's time to get it done. If I have to talk to you again, then things are horribly wrong and I'm gonna drive the car off a cliff. So you know what? Without further ado, just sit back, relax. You can laugh at me if you want. I'm gonna laugh at me because I think it's just stupid that I have to end it this way. It's not how I want it to, but we're gonna do the best we can with the rattle cans we got. Yeah! All right, let's go. as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we are being sponsored by Ravoony wraps. If you can check them out at ravoony.com and use code PS for 12% off your entire roll, not only is the wrap high quality and easy to use, it's actually considerably less expensive than other name brands. And I'm talking $200 cheaper than 3M for this same roll. But you'll have to use code PS for that final discount to get that. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge, punch, punch, slap, slap. You know how this goes. But thanks again to Ravoony for helping out this project and helping it become a reality.